Good morning, dear students. You're watching Class 4 Science. Today, we will see Lesson 3 Animals Growing in Numbers. This is part 3. In this session, we are going to discuss about some hot questions, amazing facts about insects and animals, quiz time, and book exercise. Let's begin. First one, hot questions. Here we have some questions. You just think and answer. Frogs are animals that live in both land and water, right? Then why do they need to live in water? Let me explain. Frog is an amphibian which have both gills and lungs. They use gills for respiration in water and they use lungs for respiration on land. Since frog have both gills and lungs, so frog is able to breathe in water as well as on land. Frogs live in water when tadpoles. When the tadpoles become frogs, they have to live near water or in a moist place because the frog skin dries out quickly. Understand? The next question is, snakes lay eggs, but they do not sit on the eggs to keep them warm, like birds. How do the eggs get warm to develop? We know that most of the reptiles like lizard, snake and turtle lay their eggs on the ground. They do not sit on the eggs to keep them warm. They are not protected by their parents. Many of the eggs are eaten by other animals, right? The answer is, a snake may choose a site with dead vegetation in order to provide warmth and moisture to the eggs, as well as the eggs are warmed by the heat of the sun, which can absorb the water and oxygen through the permeable cells as the embryo develops inside of the egg. Is it clear, students? The next question, do nymphs look like adult cockroach? How are they different? We know that nymph is a young one of cockroach, right? How we will differentiate? Let me explain. Nymphs resemble adults in appearance and behavior, although they are smaller in size and do not have wings. Nymphs undergo a series of molts before becoming fully mature adult. After the final molt, nymphs of some cockroaches are equipped with wings. After nymph molt, they are pale in color. Okay, students? The next question, a dolphin lives in water but not have gills like other fish. Why? We know that dolphins are aquatic mammals. Mammals breathe through their lungs only, right? Let us see the answer. Dolphins are aquatic mammals and just like land-dwelling mammals, they require air to breathe. Unlike fish, which are non-mammalian animals, dolphins do not possess gills. Gills allow fish to extract oxygen from the water. So they must come to the surface of the water to breathe. Is it clear, students? Okay. Next, we will see some amazing facts about insects and animals. Did you know, kids? Butterflies get essential nutrients by drinking from mud puddles. They are unable to fly at temperature below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Did you know flies are deaf? Flies do not have ears as such, but they are still able to detect sounds through their antenna. Despite the auditory organs of flies and mammals have different structures, they work in a similar way. A hen begins to lay eggs when she attains 20 weeks of age. A chicken loses feathers when stressed. They can recognize up to 100 human or animal faces. The dot frog is the most poisonous animal on the earth. They can be all different types of blues. These frogs can see in color. These frogs are poor swimmers. You won't find them in the water. Cockroaches. Cockroaches have at least 18 knees. Cockroaches can hold their breath for 40 minutes. They can live 1 week without a head. Young cockroaches only need a crack the width of 0.55 millimeter to fit. Did you know, kids, grasshopper has their ears on their bellies? This is a time to quiz. Are you ready, kids? Here we have some questions from this lesson. Shall we discuss the answer? First one, fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Birds reproduce by laying eggs or give birth to babies. Birds only reproduce by laying eggs. The large cluster of frogs' eggs is called spawn or nymph. It is called spawn. Lizards lay their eggs in water on the ground. Lizards lay their eggs on the ground. Animals that feed their young ones with their own milk are called mammals. Mammals breathe with the help of skin or lungs. Breathe with the help of lungs. Next one, match the following. You just match the animals with their young ones. Butterfly, caterpillar. Hen, the young one is chick. Frog, the young one is tadpole. Grasshopper, the young one is nymph. Cow, the young one is calf. State whether the following statements are true or false. All animals reproduce by laying eggs. It is a correct statement? No, it is a false statement because some animals reproduce by laying eggs and some other animals reproduce by giving birth to young ones. So it is a false statement. Yolk is the yellow colored substance that is present inside the egg, isn't it? So it is a true statement. Mammals like dolphins come up to the surface of water to breathe in air. It is a true statement. After hatching, the tiny caterpillar that comes out from the egg of butterfly is known as pupa. It is a correct answer? No, it is a wrong answer. The eggs come out from the butterfly is called larva. A tadpole looks similar to an adult frog. It is a correct or wrong answer? It is a false answer. Why? A tadpole is like a fish. It has a tails. So it is a false statement. Give 2 examples of each of the following. 2 egg-laying animals, hen and snake. Animals that give birth to young ones, dog and human beings. Aquatic mammals, dolphin and whale. Animals that lay eggs in water, fish and frog. Animals that undergo molting, cockroach and grasshopper. Name the stages of the life cycle of a frog shown in the picture given below. What is the first one? It is a frog's eggs. It is called spawn. What is the next one? Do you have any idea? It is a tadpole, young one of the adult frog. What is the next picture? It is a adult frog. This is a time for your book exercise. Take your book and open page number 24 and take your pencil. I already informed you to find the answers for these questions. Did you find the answer? Okay, now we will discuss the answer. First one, fill in the blanks. Dash provides food to the growing chick. Which one is provide? Yolk. The young chick is called chick. The young one of frog is called, what is that? Tadpole. Two animals which lay eggs in water are, what are they? Fish and frog. The young one developed as the body of a mammal. Inside the body of a mammal. State true or false. First one, a tadpole is another name for an adult frog. Is it correct? It is a false answer. Why? So tadpole is a young one of adult frog. Right? So all mosquitoes begin their life in water. It is a correct answer. The eggs of a snake are warmed by the sun. Yes, some of the eggs are warmed by the sun because they are not protect their eggs. The egg yolk provides food to the embryo of a frog. Yes, it is a correct answer. Butterflies do not take care of their young ones. It is a correct answer. The young one of fish is called nymph. It is correct or wrong? It is a wrong answer. The young one of fish is called fries. The albumen protects the embryo. It is a correct answer. Have you all noted down, children? Okay, good. Now, this is a time for activity. Activity 1. Collect some pictures of various animals from old newspaper and magazines. Group them as egg-laying animals and the animals give birth to young ones. Paste these pictures in a scrapbook. You can prepare scrapbook using A4 sheets. Okay. You have to list out the animal names like this, name of the animal, and you will write the young one of that animal, and you will write whether that animal is giving birth to young ones or that is egg laying animals like that. Okay, here I am giving example to you. You have to prepare the chart according to your activity 1 and you have to write in your scrapbook. Will you do it, children? Okay. Thank you, kids. Have a good day.